wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 7 best snow scooters. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 7, the eJoy fold-up kick sledge is made from molded plastic and is light enough to carry around with ease. It can even support adult riders weighing as much as 220 pounds. You don't have any say in the color you get when you buy one though. It can be enjoyed seated or standing and folds flat for easy storage, but it takes time to gain control over it. At number 6, with a geospace original underfoot, kids can speed downhill into dusk and still be visible on the slope, thanks to a built-in LED headlight. And when a child is not using it, grown-ups can take it for a ride, though they might sink a bit in powder. It also works on grass and sand and comes with non-slip foot pads. However, it's not the most durable option. Coming in at number 5 on our list. If you feel the need to scoot year-round, the Aleko Deluxe Street 2-in-1 might be the choice for you. You can quickly swap out its runners for wheels, allowing you to use it indoors or on flat pavement, no matter the season. It's equipped with an integrated kickstand and includes the conversion tool required, but note that the tires are not all-terrain. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for snow scooters, or simply click beneath this video. At number 4, the deck on the Superio sliding sledge offers both security and whimsy with a pair of anti-slip footrests that help you keep your grip and a fun penguin theme on its decals that kids are sure to love. It's lightweight and breaks down easily for storage. It comes with a simple folding hinge and is relatively easy to steer. However, the handle could be more stable. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Stiga kick bike is large enough to accommodate children up through their tween years. Its heavy-duty HDPE runners are wider than those of many similar options, making it suitable for use on fresh powder or in icy conditions. The frame is a blend of steel and aluminum, and it offers an adjustable height. It weighs under 5 pounds. At number 2, the airhead scoot is made of a durable molded polymer and features a grooved bottom for excellent speed and tracking. It's a good choice for the young downhill daredevil in the family, but can also be used for travel across level, snowy ground. It's built to last for years and comes in at a great low price. It folds flat for storage and transport. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the railz original youth kick offers unmatched control to the adventurous youngster looking to zip along a snowy slope. It also features a patented brake system that can slow your maneuvers down if you feel like you're going too fast. It boasts a strong tubular chrome frame and 3 handlebar positions. It's available in 2 colors. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for snow scooters, or simply click beneath this video.